Good morning, friends. This is trade plan for October 6th. Now, this is the uh, daily chart of the Nifty, and we got follow through from yesterday's day before's action, and closing above 17,800 was extremely positive. Overnight, S&P 500, while it has a green candle, but I think nothing decisive. So chances are that it needs more consolidation before it moves on. But here in India, we have the Moody's upgrade, etc., working out. So for today, uh, one of the things that are key in terms of concept is that we should be looking for three things. One is that the market goes sideways and breaks out, like you can see here. Okay. Second thing is that you have the market tendency of a retest, that you make one low, then you make a second low, and then you go up. And the third thing that you have to keep in mind is that there should be some breakdown of a structure, like you can see this here. You have some kind of a triangle which was formed, and that gave you a breakdown. Similarly, if you overall see the structure here, again there is some sort of head and shoulder type structure which has formed here. So these three things you should wait on the market to happen. The other thing is that the shorter the time frame you follow, the lesser will be the move. Like this move here, it took about a day for the market to move sideways. And when it broke out, within a couple of hours, you got this. So the plan should be that always wait for the market to set up properly before you act, so that the move is larger and much better in terms of uh, the momentum, and the option basically moves hard. In this sort of period, the option moved very, very well. So now, today, what do we look for? I think we are opening SGX around 17,800. I would think that if you open here and go sideways for a bit, you could have again an upside which could now get closer to 18,000. So today's dip if you get any, you should try to buy into it, and there should be no thought of going short unless we now get below the 17,650 zone. Similarly, Bank Nifty again after open, you should look for the Bank Nifty also to go sideways and then move on the upside, and I think it will also open with some sort of a small gap down, and post that if we are able to move up, that would be good. But again, remember the three things I have told you, which is that A, sideways, B, retest, and C, break of structure to take the move, and so that you are able to get nice momentum. The Bank Nifty momentum is lower than Nifty because of crude, etc. So be careful about which index you choose in terms of trading. Yesterday, uh, early morning we gave Reliance and ONGC as calls, and that was because of crude moving up. So this is how you use triggers in your trading, and because of those triggers on individual days, individual stocks tend to move up. Bank Nifty today you have resistance around this 37 920 type of zone. So now the Bank Nifty could find resistance here and move sideways in this area before it moves up further. So look to the left and see where resistance would be seen. Look for sideways to happen in that area and then move higher. So that should be the plan for the day. I think even Bank Nifty will cross maybe 38,000 in the next few days, and Nifty we are looking at 18,000. The crude remains a huge uh, problem, but sometimes markets like yesterday decide to ignore problems and look at the positives. So that should be it. I think now Bank Nifty will be negative only if we are breaking below this 37 uh, 400 type of zone. So again, there shouldn't be any thoughts of going short. Look for 2 or 3 hours of consolidation before you enter. That will give you the sort of momentum that you need, because that is where these short positions they build up, and when they are taken out, you get a fairly strong upside. So take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.